Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to easily change a pin's description on Pinterest with the latest update. Whether you want to add more details, correct a typo, or refresh your content, updating your pin descriptions is a simple process that can help your pins get more attention. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. This is where all your pins are stored, so it's the best place to start. Once you're on your profile, tap on the Pins tab. This will display all the pins you've saved or created. Scroll through and find the specific pin whose description you want to change. When you've found the pin, tap on it to open it fully. You'll see the image, the current description, and other details. Next, look for the three dots icon, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Tap on these dots to open a menu with more options. From the menu, select Edit. This will bring up the editing screen where you can make changes to your pin's details. Now, focus on the description box. Here, you can delete the old description and type in your new one. Make sure your new description is clear, engaging, and includes relevant keywords to help your pin reach the right audience. Once you're happy with the new description, simply tap Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Your pin's description is now updated and ready to attract more viewers. Changing descriptions regularly can keep your content fresh and improve your Pinterest presence. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check back for more easy tips to get the most out of Pinterest.